How to uninstall Discord? Need to remove Discord from your computer? Here's how to uninstall it completely. First, open the search bar of your computer. Here you can see the uninstall button. Tap on it. Now a list of apps will open. Tap on the three dots located at the corner of the screen. Now you can see the uninstall button here. Tap on it and confirm your action. Clear Discord's cache data too if you are planning to reinstall later for a clean slate. Uninstalling for now or for good? Share your reason in the comments below. Whether it's a break or a reset, uninstalling Discord is quick and reversible. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.